Hi, my name is Rosa McDonald. I'm from Shelby, North Carolina, and I'm a graduate student at North Carolina State University College of Design. To me, architecture is about creating healthy, sustainable, yet vibrant spaces that positively impact communities and start to engage the people physically, mentally, and emotionally. The project is a community center located in Durham, North Carolina, at the intersection of the historic Fayetteville Street and the American Tobacco Trail, which is an old rail line that has been converted into a very popular trail. In the 1960s, highway development downtown bifurcated the community along Fayetteville Street, and the economy has really suffered ever since. The neighborhood is sorely lacking in basic public resources like libraries, recreational facilities, and access to fresh local grown food. So I wanted to create a place where the community could come together to learn, exercise, and start to grow those healthy relationships. The Durham Community Gardens divides the site into 4 quadrants, 2 gardens and 2 bars connected by a bridge. The 4 quadrants are then connected by an extension of the trail, or harkening back to old rail terminology, I call it the trail switch, which runs under the bridge and through the site, inviting visitors of the trail to engage in the activities as they pass. The 2 bars are the education bar and the fitness bar. The education bar contains a learning center, an art room, a gaming lounge, and a few different outdoor classrooms. The fitness bar contains a 3-story interactive tree house, a rock climbing wall, trampoline room, and a track suspended above the gym. So I really wanted to incorporate a variety of fun and full-bodied activities that start to promote health and wellness. I'm most excited about the gardens and the integration of sustainable technologies. The Learning Garden is designed specifically for the novice gardener and has a variety of vegetables, fruits, and herbs that they can learn about through planting them, growing them, harvesting them, and then finally eating them in the learning kitchen. The Play Garden focuses on the concept of the whole person, mind, body, and soul, and features a sensory garden, an obstacle course, and a pool. Including sustainable technologies in this project was really important to me. I was able to include green roof spaces, solar panels, water collection and reuse, and pollinators like honeybees and butterflies to help our native plants and the garden. I wanted to create an environment that was warm and inviting. So for the materials, I chose glulam for structure and wooden curtain wall for the enclosure. The trail switch running through the center begins to reconnect the site to downtown Durham by adding a new thread to the fabric of the city via this new pedestrian route. And it starts to create a sense of place for the neighborhood. My design process begins with an extensive site analysis and a complete understanding of the needs of the community. I diagram a lot, but I use all of that knowledge to help inform how the building geometry will respond to the site, as well as the program arrangement. 3D models and study models are an important part of figuring this out for me. They allow me to see 3-dimensionally and to really start to understand how the journey through the space will feel. Research is an integral part of my design process, and probably where I spend most of my time. It allows me to come up with creative design solutions because I'm no longer guessing, but I've equipped myself with the necessary tools to be able to make the best possible decision. As a child, I was always inquisitive about everything. I needed to know why and how. And now that I'm older, that's pretty much the same. But now I understand that it's because I really just love to learn. I want to be a part of a place where research and exploration are encouraged to come to the best possible solutions. Gensler is a place where an inquisitive designer can push the limits and start to really impact the way users and the environment benefit from the architecture we design, making our built environment healthier and more sustainable. For me, that is what architecture is truly about.